Welcome to our channel TechStreet. In this video, let's understand the introduction to data structures and algorithms. Let's begin with what are data structures. The description of data structures could be that basically different ways of storing a data on your computer. This definition might not be clear right now, so let me give you a more concrete example over here. Let's say we have a bunch of woods over here and it can be easily seen that they are not organized. If you want to choose a black wood from here, we face a problem. We need to check all of them one by one to find out the black one. Selecting a black one is time consuming and difficult too. Let's see at organized way of storing these items. What we have done over here, we just taken the unorganized items from here and put them in an organized way. So selecting black wood from this list is very easy and it takes less time to find. When it comes to the data structures, we are doing the same thing we have done over here, organizing these items. It's really clear that all applications are dealing with the data. So they do some operations based on the given data. Before processing the data, we have to organize the data in a certain way that the process is very efficient. From software application perspective, the efficiency and the performance of the software depends on how the data is stored, organized and grouped together during the program execution. Every day, day to our lives, we see various type of data structures. There might be a crowd of people who want to get a ticket for a concert. But without organized way, it becomes almost impossible to get a ticket. The organized way of people to get a ticket is a queue. And this is also called queue data structure in computer science, which is first in and first out method. We understand that we use data structure to make our application very efficient. But the problem is that there are many different type of data structures. A professional software developer has to know which data structures to choose for a particular application which has the direct effect on the performance. Now let's understand what are algorithms. An algorithm is a step-by-step instructions to solve a given problem or to achieve a specific goal. Let's look at an example. Buying a coffee from Starbucks. To buy a coffee from Starbucks, we need to go to Starbucks, then pay for the coffee, and then get the coffee. These three steps is an algorithm of buying a coffee from Starbucks. The tasks we perform during the day are all our algorithms. So every day in our day-to-day lives, we perform several tasks. So to complete a task, we need to perform some steps. This set of instructions, this set of steps is called an algorithm in computer science. Knowingly or unknowingly, every one of us use algorithms in our day-to-day activities. For example, to find a shortest route in Google Maps, we use graph algorithms like Dijkstra's, A-star algorithm, and breadth first search algorithm. We'll discuss these algorithms in our upcoming sessions. In our next video, we'll look at different type of data structures and algorithms. If you like this video, please share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe our channel.